Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Special Someone, and this is a sweet little card we'll be making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Someone Special, and we're going to be using this little raccoon, Happy Birthday, and this little flower. We're going to start with our stamping. I have Magenta Madness. And I have a piece of Whisper White, and then I have the stamp mounted on clear block B. So just like that. And we're finished with this for now. I'm going to come in with Smoky Slate. And I'm using Basic Gray. And you can two-step stamp this, but I like it just like this. So just like that little guy. All right, I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. All right, so I have the die for him. And scoot him up as much as I can. Try to get it all cut at one time. And then I have these Stitch So Sweetly dies. And this is the largest. We'll do these two, and then we'll do the Whisper White. All right. Let's see, we got this little guy. He's so cute. I'll put this to the side. All right, next we have the next smallest size from the Stitch So Sweetly, Stitch So Sweetly, and the flower. All right, I'll take that out of the way. And let's start putting this card together. So I'm going to come in with my Happy Birthday, and that's mounted on clear block G, and my Magenta Madness. And I just want the Happy Birthday right here on the bottom. Just like that. Now, our card base is Smoky Slate, and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of basic gray, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I also have a piece of the Designer Series paper for the neutrals, and that is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. So let's just put this down here. And you know what? I think I'm going to get the magenta here. So we can tie that all in. I'm going to bring in some regular tape. Put this to the back. Just like that. All right, and then we'll put this on our card base. Excuse me. All right, so we are going to attach our white scalloped rectangle to our basic gray rectangle. So just like that, and then I'm going to come in with some Stampin' Dimensionals. All right, so just like that, then I'm going to pop this little guy up as well. Just like that, and then I'm going to pop up my little flower. Just like that. And then I'm going to come in with my in color enamel dots. And I'm going to put that in the center right there. And then one more down here. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple birthday card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!